I woke up late this morning. I forgot to turn my alarm on, so that sucks. Hi. Now I gotta feed Dolly. No, y'all. No. No. Dolly. Dolly. Went a different way. I faked him out. No. No goat. Rusty. What are you doing?
Oh, good.
Going swell. Well, you only got so much room down there, right?
There's all kinds of room.
I mean, to get to your other stuff.
What other stuff?
Once you go down there.
Once she lets me put my gun safe where I want to put it, she'll basically have a whole empty rack. Hi, Louie.
She's got stuff down there. She don't even know what she got.
No, she has no idea.
What is it?
Let's go shopping. Go downstairs.
Don't make me go down there, Jed. Because then me and you'll be cleaning that thing out next.
Why do some of them not have rings on them?
Those are canned. They're sealed. They don't need rings.
And say this thing decided to unseal, the seal could give it a false seal.
You can pick it up by the top?
Yeah.
Holy.
It's your canning test. You can't.
Dang.
Snacks. Eat them.
Yeah.
What? Really?
All those snacks.
Oh, that's it.
What's
Some are
food?
like sour cream, cheddar, kind of like that.
Hey, these two are full of oil, so don't kick them. That one and the one in front of the freeze dryer.
Well, it's like right over my bed, so yeah. Let's not move them at all. You don't want any of this.
Some of the kids said some of them are stale. But let's see.
25 January 22. This December. Okay, well I have to go through that. That's concerning.
It's okay. Now
It's not okay. No. Kitty, no. Damn it. I gotta turn the power off. Because I gotta get that food bucket out of there. Shut up, Hank. You got mud all over your face, bruh. Stop doing that, T-Bird. It's really loud. Ooh, that's thunder, y'all. You pooping in your buckets? That's just outstanding. Great work. Stop. It's starting to rain. Damn it. Yeah, we're doing half rations. I think it's getting ready to thunderstorm anyway. So maybe they can eat most of that before it starts. But if I put a whole bale out there, it'll get wasted. It's raining again. That's all it does is rain. Yeah, I'll feed the cows in the barn at least. Hank, you don't even care about rain, do you? Well, this is gonna be fun. I have to walk in there and keep them out of the bucket. I'll dump the buckets in the barn. At least most of them are already in the barn. Move, go. Dolly. There you go. Food. That worked better than expected. A little bit. Get back. 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 Buster, why don't you get out of there and let other people... Never mind. Why did you... Damn it. Freaking cows. I literally threw this hay bale like 6 feet that way when I put it in this morning. And now it's basically, they're eating it out of the electric fence. Oh, and this morning I came out here. The reason this one's so low is because I came out here to feed them, and one of them had backed up to this water trough and just like peed in it. And then Hank comes over and he's trying to drink it, and he drinks, like he takes a drink and he's like, well, you know, it tastes terrible. I'll try again. So he tries like 4 times. I had to bail it out with a bucket and then dump it out. Now I got to fill it back up, and it takes forever to fill up. T-Bird, he won't fight. Y'all are a hot mess, man. Hot mess. Hank, just go away. Go away. Go eat it over there. What, are you just taking a bite and just getting electrocuted every other bite? Is that what you're doing? It's not much of a plan, dude. Look at you. You got hay all over you. Well, I got one side. Why don't you just go sit down? Why don't you just take a break? I don't know what you're doing. Do your thing. T-Bird. He's so neurotic. Go ahead, man. Go play. You better go. You better go. That's what I thought. Oh, T-Bird. It's funny. Did you see that, Hank? You didn't see anything, did you? You're just Hank. Really bad at this game. He's supposed to pull back, Rusty. You gotta pull. You don't walk with me, you gotta pull back. Freaking idiot. It's Tug of War. There you go, there you go. Learning, sort of. Bessie. Bessie. Pig. Get over here. I mean, shut up, turkey. Piggo gonna get some corn. That's the last thing Piggo do. Shut up. Shh. Y'all got 12 acres, man. You don't have to be here. Go do something. Go play. Don't know how such a small bird can be so loud.